Today, we're discussing low back pain and how we treat it using acupuncture, herbs, and traditional Chinese medicine. I'm Dr. Bashar Wilson. I specialize in using acupuncture, herbs, and Chinese medicine for pain relief and helping athletes and active people to recover from injuries. Let's get started. Back pain is one of the most common causes of pain in the world. Just in the United States, over 260 million workdays are lost a year because of back pain. This results in over $50 billion in healthcare costs. When you add to that the cost of lost wages and decreased worker productivity, that number skyrockets. When discussing low back pain, there are numerous causes. Today, we're going to look at a few of them. First, we'll start with some basic anatomy of the spine. Then we'll get into herniated discs, pinched nerves, pulled muscles, and we'll be looking at all of this from a Chinese medicine approach. Let's start with the anatomy of the spine. The spine, also known as your vertebral column, also known as your backbone, are a series of bones that stack on top of each other from your neck all the way down to your lower back and your sacrum. There are 33 bones that make up your spine. There's 7 in your neck, also known as your cervical spine. There are 12 in your thoracic area, which make up your rib cage. There are 5 in your lumbar spine, also known as your lower back. There are 5 in your sacrum, and then 4 in your coccyx, also known as your tailbone. Let's talk about Chinese medicine and low back pain. In traditional Chinese medicine, when we discuss the different organs, the function goes beyond that of Western anatomy and physiology. For example, in Chinese medicine, the kidneys relate directly to bone health, the lower back, the knees, and also reproductive function. We use acupuncture to support the kidneys and its relationship to back pain. In addition to acupuncture, we also use herbs, diet, and exercise to support the bones by strengthening the vital energy of the kidneys. An herb that's commonly used to support kidney health in Chinese medicine is cinnamon bark. It helps to warm the kidneys, warm the acupuncture channels and cold limbs. It strengthens a weak back and can support reproductive vitality. A little cinnamon goes a long way, so I recommend that you use cinnamon under the guidance of a trained herbalist. On my website, I have a kidney support tea. In Chinese medicine, the kidneys provide that fire that sparks the function of all of the organs in the body. So in addition to its benefit for back pain, it helps the entire body, especially as we get older. I also have a joint pain formula that supports the back, knees, and joints for back pain that's worse in weather that's cold and damp. The link for both are in the description. Now let's discuss the spinal discs. Between each of the vertebrae in your spine is a rubbery, sponge-like disc. These discs have a jelly-like inner layer with a thick membrane around it. They serve as a cushion between the bones in the spine and also helps protect the spinal cord. The fluid in the discs can also become dehydrated and thinner, leading to less cushion between the bones. Since the spinal discs are mostly fluid, it's important to stay hydrated to maintain the strength and overall integrity of the discs. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. With that, I'm going to take a sip of water myself. Excuse me. A slip disc, also known as a herniated disc, can occur for many reasons. It can be caused from lifting heavy objects by bending over at your back instead of lifting using your legs, from having weak muscles in your lower back, from being overweight, and also from twisting and turning in an awkward way. A slipped disc can press against the nerves in your lower back and cause a dull, sharp, or burning pain, numbness, or tingling, and also pain that radiates to the muscles in your lower back and down into your butt, your legs, knees, and feet. Acupuncture works to block the pain signal and relax the muscles. As the muscles relax, this can help the herniated disc slip back into place and open the connection between the nerves and muscles in the lower back and the legs. There are also corrective exercises that can help to realign the posture to support the vertebrae and loosen the muscles to help take pressure off of herniated discs and help them slip back into place. Give us a call to schedule an appointment or consult a local sports medicine acupuncture practitioner or physical therapist for guidance on the best corrective exercises for your health condition. Now let's discuss the nervous system. There are two main parts of the nervous system: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and your spinal cord. The spinal cord runs from the base of your brain down the center of your back to the bottom of your lower back. Your brain and spinal cord serves as a communication network between your brain and your body. The body sends signals back and forth to the brain through your nerves. The brain instantly responds to messages from your nervous system to regulate your body functions, control your movement, how you experience pain, temperature, pressure, your five senses, etc. When we look at how acupuncture affects the central nervous system, there are acupuncture points on your scalp that affect the entire body by stimulating the brain, and also through the acupuncture channels that travel from your head and face to the different parts of your body. There are also acupuncture points and channels down the center of your back and the muscles that run down your back. They help to loosen knots, stiffness, and pain in the back muscles. They also increase and strengthen your body's energy. It strengthens your organs and helps to increase your blood and your energy or your chi circulation. Acupuncture also stimulates the body to release natural painkillers that block pain, increases the blood circulation to different injured areas to speed up recovery from pain, and decreases inflammation. This not only affects the area where acupuncture is being performed, but also activates healing in other areas of the body. Now let's talk about your peripheral nervous system. Your peripheral nervous system branches off your spine from each level of the vertebrae to communicate with your muscles, organs, blood vessels, and glands. The nerves that branch off from your neck also travel down the arms to the hands. When the nerves are pinched at the neck, you can experience pain, numbness, and tingling radiating down the arms to the hands and your fingers. In your lower back, the nerves branch off and travel to your feet and control the function of your legs. So, not only does low back pain affect the muscles in your lower back, but through the nerves, the pain can sometimes radiate down to your butt, your legs, and feet, like in sciatica pain. So, pain in your lower limbs can often be traced to dysfunction of the nerves in your lower back. To successfully treat pain in the hips, the legs, the knees, the ankles, and the feet, it is necessary to assess and address any imbalances that may be stemming from the lower back. We use acupuncture to help decrease the inflammation that irritates the nerves and causes the pain, numbness, and tingling that can radiate down to your legs. We're not done yet. But please hit that like button. If you're learning something new and enjoying this presentation on acupuncture for back pain, you can also subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I upload future videos. Thank you in advance, and hit that button. We'll finish up by discussing pain from a pulled muscle. You can get a pulled muscle from lifting heavy objects improperly, overusing muscles, and also from accidents. With pulled muscles, you experience bruising, swelling, redness in the area, decreased range of motion, and muscle spasms. Common symptoms of a pulled muscle are pain and weakness in your lower back, and pain even when you're resting. Acupuncture helps to relax the muscles and bring more chi and blood to the area. In my practice, I use electric stimulation acupuncture, which stimulates the muscles to contract and relax to relieve muscle spasm and increase blood circulation to the lower back and other areas. The electric frequency also causes the body to produce endorphins, which are your natural painkillers. This helps the muscles to recover quickly and helps you to get back on the field, the court, track, and even the weight room faster. We also use special massage oils and liniments that are infused with herbs and essential oils that are pain relieving, anti-inflammatory, and increase chi and blood circulation. So I find the combination of electric stimulation, of infrared heat, and also the massage as it's like a trifecta. That's my special trifecta to get excellent results for back pain. So, what lingering questions do you have about acupuncture for low back pain? Please leave your questions or comments below, and I'll work to answer them in future videos. Lastly, I have a private practice in Brooklyn, New York, where I offer acupuncture, health evaluations, and consultations in person and virtually for sports medicine, acupuncture, herbal medicine, nutritional supplements, recommendations around diet and other lifestyle changes, the corrective exercises, and other services to help you get rid of pain and get to your help you to achieve all of your health goals. So give us a call to schedule a free eliminate low back pain evaluation so we can get to the root of the problem and get you out of this back pain once and for all. So if you haven't yet, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also share this presentation with anyone you know that may have low back pain and want to avoid drugs or surgery. Thanks again for your time. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.